Okay, we are on our way to Bend, Oregon. Are you excited, guys?
Uh-huh.
Excited, Henry? You ready to go?
Yeah.
Been driving for a little while. We're gonna get Chipotle. Hopefully we don't get diarrhea. Chipotle kind of has some bad rap going on about that. Open. Okay, we got our Chipotle meals, little fun kids meals. What do you need, Henry? Need this open?
Yeah.
Okay, say please, Dad.
Please, Dad.
All right. Okay, we're driving through the forests of Oregon, almost to Bend.
That's pretty.
I'm tired of driving. Okay, we're passing the Detroit Dam. Look how cool.
David, over here.
Yeah, this is Hudson and Evelyn's room. Look at this fun bunk bed. Oh, Joanna's getting up there too.
How am I on your bed?
Show me how to take a chocolate milk drink.
We got ammo dad.
Yeah, after your chocolate milk, drink it. Show me how to drink it. Okay, we're doing an orientation before we go into the lava tube caves. The kids are making sure they get rocks in their shoes before we do a long mile walk. Right, Hen? What do you have? A cool lantern? Flashlight lantern.
But why does it show the light and
Okay, we're in the depths of the lava cave. How you doing, Evie? Making it through? Keep finding these huge caterpillars. How to put your finger so we can see how big it is.
about as big as my finger?
This finger.
Hey, there's a red ant.
So this is 9 square miles of lava flow. Looks like the edge sheared off there.
The Ed's shearing.
Edge shearing off. Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
What?
Are you making a joke?
The Ed Sheeran.
You just keep saying Ed Sheeran.
Okay, we're making the trek up to the Fire Watch Tower at the top of Lava Butte.
Firewalk?
Yep, we are pretty high up. In fact, 5,020 feet above sea level.
No, are you?
There's another one. Another one. Okay, I've got a drinking vinegar.
What flavor is it?
Strawberry Thai basil.
What? Wait, what's a drinking vinegar?
It's got a little
It's
bit
vinegar
of
in
vinegar.
it.
Oh.
She said give it a good mix. That's really good. That's way better than the kind you use. So it looks like we're feeding our kids alcohol here, but it's actually water. This place, the water comes in these wine bottles. What do you think, Dad? Tastes like water? Yummy food.
Yummy, yummy.
What's yours called?
Lomo saltado.
Lomo saltado. This is pozole. There's the kids' portions.
It's really good. So this place is like a fusion Mexican Asian place.
Called Spork.
this is our next adventure on a new day. We went to church this morning and the kids went up and sang Father's Day songs with all the little kids.
My shirt.
He is the best dad ever. Happy Father's Day, sweetheart.
Joanna has navigated us to a volcano, the top of the volcano, but
to be
we
fair,
are in the middle of nowhere on a dirt road.
He said, choose the path that the Google Maps selected. And I said, are you sure you don't want to go on the big road? And he said, just choose what it pre-selects. So we did. So I think this is all on you.
See if we get there. Bigfoot.
You like the big bumps?
Yeah, because you make me boy.
So we got to the end of the dirt
We
road.
just got our answer.
Well, could Google Maps not help us out a little bit? Private property. Come on. And we're turning around. But it's not that big a deal. Everybody's fine. It was like the dirt
We just
road.
got our answer.
Well, could Google Maps not help us out a little bit? Private property. Come on. And we're turning around. But it's not that big a deal. Everybody's fine. It was like a 10-minute detour. Whatever. Goodbye, dirt road.
Now I'm chilling on a dirt road.
I like it.
Okay, we found the steepest spot we could find. Look at that view behind us. Hi Henry, what are you doing?
Dad helped us.
We helped him climb up. How'd you get up here? Evie had an Oreo in her hand, but we had to put it in her pocket to make this climb. It's still in there, don't worry. Did you find some drums, Henry?
It's a bouncy drum.
Evie, are you bouncing on the log down there? Oh, she's getting drumsticks.
But show the phone how it's bouncing.
Whoa, it's moving up and down. Play the drums, Henry. Oh, are y'all done? Drumsticks. Oh, Evie's coming. Let's see it, Evie. There she goes. Wait. Yeah! Look at this. Have you ever seen wood just fall apart like that? So what's breaking it down, guys? Hud, what's breaking it down?
Bugs.
Bugs? Evie, what else? What'd you find? Rain. Some fungus. Henry, you see that white fungus right there?
Helping it.
You saw an ant in there?
Leaves.
And it'll get recycled, huh?
Yeah.
Back into a new tree.
Bugs out there.
Yep.
Show Mom the video.
Yeah, I will.
Because she will be able to see.
Yep. Okay, Joanna, let me go up first without the kids because I really like obsidian. So this is called the obsidian, the big obsidian flow. So 1,300 years ago, the lava erupted out and formed this obsidian. Glass. And Joanna, what's the black tint?
Iron oxide.
Nice. Is that obsidian? Okay, show me the difference between obsidian and pumice, Hud.
No, this is actually.
That's a solid normal rock. And show me the pumice. Can you move a really big one? Whoa. Whoa. Cool. Okay, I just can't get over how light these rocks are. So cool.
You look really strong. You just gave it away. Wait, I want to try that.
Oh, whoa. Is that pain or strong?
Strong.
Oh,
Take
okay.
a picture.
Okay, Henry, say, I'm black obsidian.
I'm about them.
Say it again.
Cool.
Say, I'm a black obsidian master.
I'm about them metal.
shock me. Oh, you got me. There's Hudson and Evelyn. Oh, there they are. Okay, come shock me. Oh, you got me. This is what's keeping us going right now.
And the animal crackers with frosting also have rainbow sprinkles.
Oh, that's awesome. You want to say something to Henry? Okay, go. This is the video. Say it.
I've been eating animal crackers with frosting with sprinkles too.
Porcupine itching. Is that what I look like when I itch?